Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 followed by the Nasdaq100 and the DowJones30 futures chart. Just want to start by saying during today's video a massive congratulations to everyone over in my free trading signal group. We've closed out a series of winning signals today. We closed the Nasdaq100, the DowJones30, all in buys, and of course the S&P 500 earlier on during today's trading session as well. So this of course has resulted in over 6% profit for the month of July so far, and in the past 13 trades I've only lost one, resulting in a 92% win rate so far. And we're also up over 58% now for the year. So a massive congratulations to everyone over on my free trading signal group. If you would like to join for free, all you have to do is scan this QR code, and it takes literally 10 seconds to sign up over on my website. But going into this week, I was very bullish and optimistic, and I highlighted the CPI data as a potential bullish catalyst for the markets to go high, and that's exactly what's happened here. Starting off with the S&P 500, we went into the week on Monday and we were trading below 4,400, and I had this Elliott wave pattern drawn up, and I expected us to go and hit new yearly highs, and that's exactly what's happened here. We had the data come out just an hour before the markets opened, of course, and from that it catapulted us up towards the new yearly highs, where we're now finding ourselves trading just shy of 4,500. I do anticipate us to continue trading high here for the S&P 500, where we go and test 4,550. The reason being is because the 4,550 area is where the 0.786 fib area is from this peak to trough fib drawing that I've done from the 2022 bear market. So it's great that this Elliott wave pattern has got us to where we are. We could potentially see some digestion in the days to come, but I think before the end of this month we are going to see a positive move higher up towards that 4,550 area. Moving over to the Nasdaq 100, exact same. This Elliott wave structure's played out. This is a textbook movement here, and we've again catapulted off that CPI inflation data, and I do believe that we continue to trade high here. I went into this week saying that I was optimistic that we could achieve 15,400, and we are currently only 37 points away from hitting that 15,400 area. And where did I get 15,400 from? Well, exact same, just over like I showed you in the S&P 500, the peak to trough for that bear market that occurred last year. The fib tracement shows a 0.786 fib area at around 15,393. So that's where I got 15,400 from, team. And I do expect going into this week we will likely go up and touch 15,400. So a massive congratulations to everyone in my signal team again. We closed the position out in S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100 and the DowJones30, where we found buyers at that 50-day EMA. This was an area where I did expect the buyers to step back in. That's exactly what happened. It was only yesterday when I said that we could likely go and break above the swing highs here, and that's exactly what's playing out in front of our eyes during today's trading session. A lot of investors have been caught on the wrong side of this. Many people had been calling for the Nasdaq 100 to pretty much crash all the way back in mid-June, maybe even early May even, and I still continue to get a lot of people on my videos, funny enough, actually commenting, Max, you're completely wrong, the indices are going to crash, why are you telling people to buy? And I think trading sessions like this, it's not that I want to come across as cocky or overly confident, because I know that it's important to always be humble when trading in the financial markets, but I just think that sessions like this go to show why you should broaden out your analysis. This is something that I've been saying in some of my market outlook videos, that going into these weeks you need to really broaden out your analysis. So many people have argued saying that the Nasdaq 100 is overbought on the daily time frames, and it's true, it has been, but look on the monthly time frames, guys. We currently have a reading of 62. Same here for the S&P 500. If we go on the monthly time frames, we are still nowhere near considered to be overbought, and I think that's what you all need to be doing back at home, especially if you do believe especially if you do believe this market is starting to look very frothy. Broaden out your analysis and look at the more medium to longer term outlook. But I definitely do think that we are set to see some sort of digestion, especially as we move into the month of August. I don't think that's going to be a fundamental reasoning behind it. I think it's just going to be more because of the season, the seasonal patterns. August is typically a very weak month, and that's because there is low liquidity in the market. Low liquidity means low volatility, and typically you do see the market trend slowly towards the downside. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to join my free trading group by scanning this QR code. It will take you to my website where you can sign up for completely free of charge, and it only takes 10 seconds to sign up.